Hello everyone! So if you want to create folders on your home screen of your iPhone 12 Pro, first of all we gotta find an application which we want to add to your home screen. So simply drag it. It will be put in such a shaking mode. As you see, they are shaking, so you can drag them free and simply drag one application on another one, and the folder gonna be created automatically. Now press done, open up the folder, and here it is. Now in order to edit it, open it up, hold, and here you can delete some application from it. So simply take it out of your folder and drop it right. In this mode you can press edit. Now press done. Once again, open up your folder, hold on the blank space, you can rename it. Let's name it 1. And basically that's it. When you're done, simply press done at the top right corner and you're good to go. If you're gonna delete the folder, right, as you see, application won't be deleted, however it will be removed from the home screen. So do not worry, you can find this in the app list. As you see, it's here in your app library, it's working good, so do not worry about that. If you want to bring it back, simply hold it and bring it back. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.